this video I'll show you how to make a Facebook business page. How to make a Facebook page. First of all, you open up Facebook app, then go to menu, then you see this option pages. Click on this, then click on create button, then click on get started. First you write your page name, on next, then you search category, then click on create button, and you see this option setting up your page. I skip this option and you click on next button, and you see this option profile icon and banner. You customize your page. As well as I skip and click on next button. Click on next and done. And your page is created. Hopefully this video is helpful to you and you like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.